What's up, everybody? This is SPC Will's World 2008 here with a video on the potential for some severe weather across portions of the Midwest. So we're concerning an enhanced risk tomorrow for portions of Iowa, southern Minnesota, and Wisconsin, with a slight risk for northern Illinois. Slight risk surrounding and a marginal risk also too. There's a 5% chance of tornadoes within 25 miles, a 30% chance of wind, and a 15% chance of hail. Storms should become organized and severe, pretty good amount of shear, 30 to 50 knots according to the SPC. Talking about some cool pool if organized with a swath of damaging winds, maybe an MCS move eastward. Supercells are possible too, looks like. Large hail, damaging winds, and a few tornadoes. So I'm making a video to make sure everybody's aware of this. Sorry I haven't posted in the last couple months, just took a break. And if I sound congested, I have a cold, sorry. It should be better by late this week. So let's look at the models. Sorry, guys. To set everything up, it's kind of annoying. There we go. Okay, guys, so let's take a run of the ENH. Looks like early tomorrow morning we're gonna have some showers and thunderstorms and killing into Iowa. Looks like a decaying line of showers and storms. Maybe a few could be strong in the morning, but that's not the main event. Those will slowly move in, so these will expand and become more increased, and then they will move into Wisconsin and eventually die out. But then the main event develops later in the day and becomes more organized as heating increases. Two events, looks like we're going to have one in Illinois and Wisconsin, and another one back into Minnesota. Looks like an MCS, looks pretty dangerous. Looks like a swath with some damaging winds. So this kind of looks like a non-stop kind of thing. And you can see these little supercells firing up, breaking off. So then these should start to fall apart. It's going to be a big event, so everybody make sure to have a safety plan in place. We can see how humid it's going to be tomorrow. It should be pretty bad. Looks like we're going to have some mid-upper 60 dew points, which is definitely very favorable for severe weather. Most unstable. Let's see what the atmosphere is going to look like. Not a lot of CAPE, but definitely just enough. So it looks like I have 1,000 joules per kilogram of instability to work with. Definitely a lot more in Iowa. So that's where the large hail will probably factor in a little bit more down there. As we're in Wisconsin and Illinois, it's going to be more of a damaging wind and tornado chance. Take a look at the supercell composite. Looks relatively high tomorrow afternoon. Make a sounding if you guys want to see. The worst areas are going to be. Got a tornado, 72 dew point, mid 3,000 joules per kilogram. Pretty good helicity, some good shear. Yeah, this is going to be a pretty good event, curved photographs. So I would recommend you guys having a plan in place. This is going to be a pretty big event if this can, all come together. Here's the shear. Looks like shear will really kick up during the afternoon and even to organize the storms. Also got some pretty effective helicity. Really starts to kick up during the afternoon, which will help rotate the storms, maybe producing some tornadoes. Like I said, you guys need to be weather aware tomorrow. It's be a pretty big event. Anyway, we can check to see what you guys should do. The worst area should be in Iowa, Illinois. I'm trying to find a bullseye. So, tornadoes, heavy rain, damaging winds, and hail. Remains a high degree of uncertainty in the timing, track, and how many rounds of thunderstorms may occur, according to the National Weather Service in Wisconsin. But, like I said, they said to have a plan in place. It's going to be a pretty big event. It's like a line, like a cluster MCS, a line of showers and storms with supercells out ahead of it tomorrow. So, it's the forecast. Hope you guys have a great day. Make sure to stay wet or wear tomorrow. See you guys later.